The question is to find the limit. The first thing to do when finding a limit is to substitute the value that x approaches. So substitute 1 for x. Then that is equal to 2 times 1 minus 4 over 1 plus 5. That is negative 2 over 6. So the answer is negative 1/3. For this limit right here, if we substitute negative 2 for x, since x approaches negative 2, then that's going to be equal to 0 over 0, right? This 0 over 0 means that the denominator and the numerator have the same factors. So what we have to do is that we have to factor first. So we have limit as x approaches negative 2. If we factor the numerator, that's going to be x minus 3, x plus 2. Here, denominator, we have x plus 2, right? So we see that they have the same factors. Now what we have to do is we cancel them out. Then this is equal to limit as x approaches negative 2, x minus 3, right? Now substitute negative 2 for x. Then that is negative 2 minus 3. So the answer is negative 5, right? Here we have limit as x approaches 1. So if we substitute 1 for x, this is going to be equal to 0 over 0, right? So what we have to do is we have to factor the denominator, right? Since the denominator can be considered as x cubed minus 1 cubed, we can use this formula a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared, right? So this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 1, x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x squared plus x times 1, which is x, plus 1 squared, right? Now we cancel x minus 1 out, and then this limit is equal to, if we substitute 1 for x, then that's going to be 1 over 1 squared plus 1, which is equal to 1/3, right?